So I just wanted to make an observation about this case. You can see that at the top of the case by the handle, a 24-inch cymbal sits about a centimeter from the edge. But as you get closer to the bottom, it's touching here. Now it's very close to touching right here, but it actually has to touch the bottom, which is the worst place it can touch, because if you set the cymbal case down wrong, it's going to send stress up to the whole cymbal, up into the where the kind of the bolt comes through. Now you can see, because the cymbal is pushed from the case, it causes pressure on, it's kind of hard to hear or see right here. You can see right here, it's real tight on the bolt right here, but then on this side, it's got space. That's because it's pushing from the bottom. Let's go around the case. You'll see that it's still touching right there, but then there's room as we go up again. So the bolt is not centered. In theory, it would work, but the center bolt is not straight, or it's not in the middle, or I don't know what's going on. But this is not a good case for, and now this cymbal here is like, I think I spent like 300, maybe 400 bucks or something on it. There's no way I'm going to take this. I mean, it's cool to put in my house and organized, but this is not a case to move cymbals with. It's just not, because the whole idea is to protect the 24-inch case, and it's unfortunate because I was talking to some people about it. I was super excited about it. I opened them up. They look cool in theory, but now as I'm moving the cymbals in and out, now I want to move my cymbals around, it's not a fit. That weird look is a fan above the cymbal, by the way. So just to recap, there's all this space in between. I don't know why a 24-inch circle wasn't put in here. I'm really disappointed because I bought 2 of these things, and I can't use them. I cannot use it. This is I wouldn't say it's a thin china, but it's definitely not like a metal china. It's more of like a medium thin. So I guess I'm just going to give the feedback. I did send some pictures. They look cool. I mean, it's a cool case if you want to do 22-inch cymbal cases, which I have like 100 of. Actually, I do. I have like maybe 6 Enduro cases, 22-inch cases, and I just needed a 24 specifically for this cymbals. And I wanted to start buying more 24-inch cymbals, but there's no point because these cymbals don't fit in the case, and it's really gross. So I don't know. I'm pretty disappointed. I spent a bunch of money and planned my order around these cases so I could start to play out with 24-inch cymbals, and I would not recommend this case at all. Basically, when you guys can imagine, when you set the case down, which is, I mean, it would be doable if the pressure was on the top of the cymbal. I don't even know if that's a good idea. It's just built wrong. It's just poor engineering. The cymbal's not oval. The cymbal's round, and there's center of the cymbal obviously is going to be right. But you can see right here, there's all sorts of pressure on the sides, and then there's crazy contact on the bottom. I could maybe move this, but it doesn't move. I mean, it's like, this is what's going on here. Look at, you actually can hear a noise. Look at that. It touches the cymbal. Horrible case. Don't recommend. Don't buy it. I mean, if you just want to have cool cases in your house to store them. I can't even store my cymbals in here because I'm afraid that the weight. See, here's the other problem. If I store this case, which is the bottom here, and I have other cymbals on this bolt, it's going to push down on this cymbal, and it's going to crack this cymbal. I've been playing for over 30 years. I've never broken a cymbal by playing them, but I feel that this cymbal case will break your cymbals. How crazy is that? The cymbal case will break the cymbals, not the playing. I'm super disappointed in this case. Not good.